Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix OBS Studio low quality video. First, open OBS Studio and go to Settings and Output. In the Output mode, select Advanced. Under Streaming or Recording, set the following: encoder, use NVIDIA new if you have NVIDIA GPU, or X264 for CPU. Rate control, CBR. Bitrate, set to 6000 kbps for 1080p, or 1000 plus kbps for better quality. Resolution, keep base resolution and output resolution the same. HiSOA 1080p recommend. FPs set to 60. In the Video tab, set both base and output resolution to 1920 x SOA 80. Downscale filter, change to Lanzo's 36 sample. Click Apply and OK. Restart OBS. If quality is still low, go back to Output Settings and increase the bitrate further. That's it. This is how you can fix low-quality video in OBS Studio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.